So, I've been having problems with my Mossberg 88 Maverick, whatever 12 gauge you want to call it. Just got the trigger assembly out, and I noticed at the back, if you can see in there, there's a little pin right there at the back. Well, I guess that holds the spring in that loads the hammer. Well, that pin was out halfway, so that spring wasn't compressed enough. So now that I pressed it back in there, she seems to have good, way better connection now. So hopefully that fixes my misfire problem. Hopefully this video has been helpful. Just a word of advice: check the pin at the back.